What is Meta AI in Messenger? So if you want to know what Meta AI is in Messenger, then Meta AI integrates the powerful AI technology directly into your Messenger app to help you. This means it helps you have smarter, more efficient, and more engaging conversations. Meta AI can reply to your questions and chat with you in real time. It can even generate AI images based on your text. Meta AI in Messenger is designed to enhance your chat experience in numerous ways. For example, you may have seen the AI in Snapchat, right? So it's the same kind of thing. There are three main things you can do with a Meta AI in Messenger. First is you can chat with the Meta AI. You can directly chat with Meta AI, just type your questions and get quick, accurate answers in real time. And the second thing you can do is you can ask questions and get answers. If you need information about something or need any help, Meta AI can assist you with instant responses. You can ask Meta AI to get knowledge about something or search for restaurants. And the third thing that Meta AI can do is generate AI images. If you're feeling creative, ask Meta AI to generate unique images for you, perfect for your fun, inspiration, or even sharing with your friends. You just need to simply describe it in your text, what kind of image you want, and on basis of that, it will generate the images. So that is what a Meta AI does in Messenger, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.